Hello guys, and thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for inquiring, and thanks for joining our WhatsApp group. I'm KAWALYA Julius LEVIN, still taking you in the basic Excel features, functions and formulas. Today we are going to be learning about minimum and maximum. Minimum is basically finding the lowest value, and maximum is basically finding the highest value. Example, you may be having a subject that you're teaching, science for example, and you have 20 students who have done your paper, and you want to find who got the best or the highest score. So in most papers they bring find the highest score, find the lowest score. So the formula or the function to use here is minimum and maximum. Minimum is for the lowest score, lowest sales, lowest cost, anything that is low, and maximum is for the highest, greatest, biggest score, biggest mark, anything. So the formulas to use here are minimum and maximum. So stay here because you're going to learn how to do that. On my sheet I have a sheet called min and max. I have already compiled it. Let me just try to beautify it so that people can clearly see these things properly. Change the font face or the font type to Century Gothic. I think I should do that also here. Bold. Change the font type to Gothic. Yeah, I think we are now okay. We can now see here. Make it bigger a bit. My cells look a bit low. Let me try to make them bigger by just scrolling like, oh, that's too big, that's too big, that's too big. I think there. So we are first going to find the total. Remember, a recap. Total we say equals sum. We open our brackets. If we are adding from here up to here, close our brackets and then we press enter. After that you can just scroll down, then you go to average. Still remember that equals to average. We open our brackets from here up to here. Remember, don't include total in your average. You press enter. Wow, that's it. We have a lot of decimal places, so we can decrease the decimals, but don't decrease unless when you are told. So let us try to decrease to 1 decimal place. This is 2 decimal place, 3 decimal places, so that is 1 decimal place. So let us try to find the highest. Let me try to change this one's the color so that they can appear different. Let average get another color type. Let it be purple, and let us look at the highest mark. So you want to look at the highest mark amongst these 3 subjects that they did: science, biology and computer. So the highest will return the highest score amongst these marks here. Then the minimum will return the lowest score amongst these scores here. So we shall say equals, note this one carefully, equals, remember we are looking at maximum, that is the highest. You type in the word max, just as the name is, max. Open your brackets. Where is my range? From here up to here. Then I close and I press enter. 88. It's a bit confusing because we have to 88. Let me try to change this one to 90 and see. Yeah, now my highest mark now is 90. Is it okay? So that's the highest mark that I have right now. Let us repeat it one more time and we see. Note the formula carefully. I'll say equals, then I put a max, open my brackets. Where is my range? It's from here up to here. Then I close my brackets and I hit enter. So my highest for Namata was 54. So Namata got 54 as the highest score. Then let me try to scroll down and see. Let me copy down the formula. Yeah, I think we can see the highest for Namigade was 100. Then the highest for Namatov was still 100. Then the highest for Namayanja was 87. So it is scooping out or getting out the highest score, the highest mark. But the formula to use here is max. People don't get confused. Don't put their highest. If you just put highest, it will return for you something different. So it is like this. then my range, which is this one here, then I hit enter. Then to get the lowest mark, this is what is done. I'll say equals, the other time we used max, this time we are going to use mean. Mean meaning minimum, the lowest, the smallest. Open my brackets. Still I have to put in my range. Remember, never include the total and the average. It will confuse you. It will see total as the highest and it will return only the totals because these are so high, but you only select those subjects. Then you close and you press enter. So here the lowest was 20. Do it one more time. Equals minimum. Don't type it as a whole word, it stops at mean, meaning minimum. The other one is max. Don't type maximum. If you type maximum, it will be wrong. Mean, open your brackets, which range from here up to here. Then I close my brackets and I press enter. So here the lowest was 21. So let us copy the formula down and we see. So here the lowest, she got 87. And you look through here, you see here it shares 89, 87, 100. So that means the lowest was 87, the lowest here was 20, and the lowest here was 12 because here shares 100, and then here shares 12, then here shares 14, 44. So don't forget, the formula is mean, and this one, the formula is max. Thanks for watching. Hope you've learned. Try to practice, 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 and practice. ICT is fun. Contact us, follow us. Thanks for watching.